Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your site's footer on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account on SiteGround, just have to log in, and to change the color of your email footer, log into your SiteGround email and marketing account from your client area, services, email and marketing. Just tab on it on marketing. So after next, either edit or create a new campaign, and in the email builder, click the design tab and select color, and click on the footer button to start editing the colors of your email footer, and choose a background color to your preferences by sliding the pointer in the color picker or by entering the color code. So just the input field below. So after next, you can also adjust the text color by moving the text color pointer or by entering a color code. So just tab on it, selecting, and click confirm to save changes. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.